My name's Caroline. I've had 2 full knee replacements performed by Dr. Rutherford at EmergeOrtho in the last 2 years. Bird photography is my specialty in nature photography, and I just love getting out and photographing birds in nature. 2 years ago, I went to the Amazon River Basin and the Galapagos. I was carrying 48 pounds of photography and camera gear. My right knee was hurting. On the trip, I called EmergeOrtho, and my appointment was Dr. Rutherford. He's a lovely person. He's a terrific physician, and it turns out he's an excellent orthopedic surgeon. Lovely bedside manner, just really nice guy, good to work with. I have a lot of confidence in him and his abilities, and he really cares about his patients. With my left knee, I was birding earlier this year for about 2.5 months, doing some pretty intense local and regional birding. It's a lot of standing. It can be on uneven terrain. My knee eventually got worse and worse while we were birding. I couldn't bird anymore, and I was walking with a cane. We scheduled a left full knee replacement. The recovery was pretty ideal. The outpatient physical therapy at EmergeOrtho is excellent. They said, what are you trying to get back to? What do you want to do? And they designed a development program to develop my strength and stamina and flexibility so I could do these things. I was walking on flat surfaces, trails at 4 weeks, and birding off trail for 2 hours plus at 6 or 7 weeks. And I'm back to hiking with Darby and doing all the things that I want to be doing.